are handy hints on fitting your dog's Halti head collar. Place your dog's nose into the Halti head collar. Then do up the neck strap. Attach the safety link to the D-ring of your dog's collar. Attach the lead to the ring under your dog's chin. If using a double clip lead, attach the other end to your dog's collar. To ensure you have the correct fit of the Halti head collar, here are some guidelines. Correctly fitted, your dog's Halti should sit part-way down the nose, away from the eyes. The neck strap should fit snug but not tight. We recommend you should be able to get 2 fingers underneath the neck strap. When relaxed, the nose piece should allow your dog to fully open his mouth to pant, drink or take a treat.